Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about MD5 and CRC32 function in MySql database. So about MD5, so it calculates 128-bit checksum for a string and the value is returned as a binary string of 32 hexadecimal or if we provide at a null, so the argument and the output will return null. So let's see my example. So at here I'm using our table actor. So this is the record inside the actor table. So first at here I'm going to use select a statement and after selecting at here first let's select actor ID actor underscore ID here after first underscore name next last underscore name. So three column are selected and hereafter I'm going to use MD5 function. So inside MD5 I'm going to use add here or entering first name first underscore name and hereafter from the table name actor. So if you execute this query, so see at here MD5 value it's created, so it's a total of 32 hexadecimal digits. So add a C, add a F is character 0 and 0, so this is the integer value. So it calculates 128-bit checksum for a string. The value is returned binary string hexadecimal. So this value is binary string hexadecimal. So in place of this, you can give any meaningful name. So let's give add here MD5. Now if you execute this query, so see at here it's displaying MD5. So at here I applied MD5 on first underscore name column. So this column. So if you want here, so you just try to enter at here last underscore name. So at here I've given two parameter on MD5. So at here I'm getting the error message. So at here incorrect parameter count. That means MD5 function receive only one parameter. So you can enter only one parameter on MD5 function. Now hereafter, the main reason to use the MD5 function. So suppose if you do any changes. So at here, if you do any changes on or last name or first name or any other columns, so by using MD5, so is it easily identified. So the something is changed. So let's add here, let's execute this query. So add here, or let's copy this one, copy row, and hereafter paste it this point. So I pasted this value at this point. So this is the MD5, and here I applied this time MD5 on first name. Now hereafter I'm going to change the name. So let's right click and hereafter select, and here I'm going to change the name. So at here I'm giving Penny Lobby 1. Now hereafter click on apply. So updated. So at this point first name is updated. Now if you execute or this query, so see at here the MD5 value is now changed. So at here this time this is the value. So see at here. So see the difference. This is the value. Now if you execute at here multiple times, so this value won't be changed. So if the here the same thing, it's a display. So that means if you user do any update on the flow, so by using MD5, so you user anyone can easily identify something changed at there. So if MD5 change, that means there is some update on the table. So this is the reason we are using MD5. So if you are using, if you are going to study on or data science and here ATL technology, so at that point the MD5 is the most important topic. So to update records in the table, so you have to use MD5. So MD5 can easily identify there is a changes, means there is some update on the table. So next, let's see at here or CRC32 function. So I'm going to paste at here. This is the CRC2. So in place of MD5, let's enter CRC32. Now this time I'm going to use at here last name. So this is the last name, and if you execute this query, so see at here. So this time here, let's give meaningful name or CRC. So CRT or CRC is generated, and the definition of CRC, it returns the cyclic redundancy check value for a given string of 32-bit unsigned value. So this is the 32-bit unsigned value. So CRT, this is only numeric value, no any character inside there. So the reason of CRC and MD5 is the same. So whenever user do any update on the table, so by using CRC32, so you can also easily identify. So let's do something change. So first I'm going to copy and hereafter paste it up. Now hereafter I'm going to do the modification on first name. Okay, so let's right click on actor table, and hereafter at here I'm using, okay, I have to do the modification because at here CRC32 I passed the colonel last name. So at here let's give or change the name at here. So at here I'm giving name or Kevin. Now there is no any changes I did on this point. Now here after let's apply. So that means only at here CRC or 32 value will change. At this point there is no any changes, so this all values are same. So here there or CRC 32 value that change. Now let's execute the query. So see at here or there is change on or last name change, and here the value of CRC. The previous value was this, and here after applying or after doing update the value is changed. Now new value is 57403802. So I did not change the name or last name on this all. So see here there is no any changes 74 21 68. So the main reason of CRC32 and MD5 function, if user do any modification, or suppose if anyone do something modification, okay, so modification that means MD5 value change. So if you apply MD5 first or name, so at here if you do any modification in any row, so if MD5 value change, then if first name value change update, then the MD5 value change. So by using these two functions you can easily identify the changes on the table. So this is the reason we are using MD5 and CRC32. So at here CRC32 it's just like MD5, so you cannot pass two parameters. So let's try to enter inside CRC32. So last name, and here let's enter first name. So if you execute this query, definitely that give error message. So it receives only one parameter. So it receives only one parameter. So see the difference at here. CRC is more sec. Oh, sorry. MD5 is the more secure because if you execute this query, oh, I'm getting the error message. Okay. Let's execute one more time. So see at here, this value is lengthy and bigger. And if you are going to use at here or CRC, so see at here, but user can easily count this value. But by using MD5, it's 32 total characters are at here 32. So that it's very difficult to remember. So that it means MD5 is more secure than CRC32 because it's very hard to recognize and remember all those things. So these are the things about CRC32 and MD5 in MySql database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.